nearby Earth this year has just reached its closest point, giving astronomers an opportunity to observe the space rock that formed at the very dawn of the solar system. The asteroid, which was first discovered 20 years ago, is around 900 metres in diameter. The American Space Agency, NASA, says that at its nearest point it will still be 2 million kilometres away. Professor Alan Fitzsimmons is at the Astrophysics Research Centre at Queen's University in Belfast and explained what's known about it.
We're not exactly sure, first of all, how big it is. We suspected it was perhaps a kilometre across, but recent measurements imply it may be about half that size. We'll know more when we get more observations over the next couple of days.
Asteroid passes in a week.
It's travelling quite fast. It's travelling at about, over 34 kilometres per second, or over 120,000 kilometres an hour. So if it were to hit us in the future, or even today, it would be quite a serious thing. But we know from observations of this asteroid over the past 20 years that it's not going to hit us for the next 200 years at least. So this is one asteroid that we don't have any immediate concern about.
Like 200 years in the future, like, sorry.
We'll find out knowledge of its future path for future generations.
And what do asteroids tell us about our galaxy?
Well, asteroids are relics of the history of the birth and the evolution of our solar system. And by understanding what they're made of and how they're created, and even how they come to be in orbits around the sun that can bring them close to our planet, we get a much better idea of how our planetary system has changed and evolved and continues to change right now.
Have the scientists had much time to learn much about this?
Well, although it's travelling quite fast, because it was discovered back in 2001, we've known about this close approach for some time. So yesterday and today and tomorrow it's being studied by various telescopes on Earth, including, for example, radio telescopes that will ping it with radar and measure its precise size and also distance and velocity with respect to our planet. It's also going to be studied with telescopes on Mauna Kea, that's one of the big observatories over in the Pacific Ocean on the island of Hawaii. And that will tell us exactly what it's made of, the kind of rocks and minerals that are on its surface. And all of this will go into our general knowledge about these potentially threatening asteroids, so that if we do find one in the future that we really do need to be concerned about, then we'll have that background of knowledge to help us figure out what to do.
And how much are they as a possible threat to the planet, other potential, other asteroids?
Well, asteroids this side are quite hazardous. In fact, we think something about this size, or about 1 kilometre across or larger, could cause global effects if it hit our planet. But the good news is, first of all, that we've found most of these, or astronomers believe that we've found most of these, and we're in no immediate danger. But our attention is now turning towards the smaller asteroids, perhaps just a few hundred metres across, where if they hit us, they would certainly devastate a small region of our planet. And so in the next few years, both NASA and the European Space Agency are performing their first planetary defence mission, where they'll test technologies and our understanding of how we might divert a future threatening asteroid so that it doesn't actually hit us.
Professor Alan Fitzsimmons there. This